Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam put forward the example of niggardly and a generous one, describing two men wearing two iron coats with their hands tied to their chests and throats. So a charitable intends to give alms. The coat expands to such an extent that it reaches up to the toes and covers them. Whenever a niggardly tends to give charity, the coat contracts and each ring gets tightened in its place. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, I watched Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam display it by putting his fingers into the breast of his shirt, saying, if you see, he cannot expand his finger, he cannot do so. Abu Zinad reporting from Araj said, Fil Jubbatan. Thus heard Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, Jubbatan. Jafar with reference to Araj said, Jubbatan. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5797.